Okay, now double click this PC and double click shared folder and double click SCM folder and double click SWPM folder, scroll down and double click SAP SD and close this folder. Now software provisioning manager is opening. Username is administrator and password, admin password, and click sign in. Okay, now scroll down. Expand SAP Business Suite 7 2016. Expand EHP4 for SAP SCM 1.0 ABAP. Scroll down. Expand MS SQL Server, that is my database. Expand installation. Expand application server ABAP. Installation here, three options is there: standard system, distributed system, high availability system. Okay, now I select standard system. Why I want to select standard system means expand standard system and select standard system. Here, ABAP Central Service Instance, ASCS instance, database instance, primary application server instance. So mandatory instances means these three are instances, mandatory instances of an EHP4 for SAP SCM 1.0 ABAP. That means you want to build SAP SCM 1.0 EHP4 means compulsory you want to install these three instances. One is ASCS instance, full form is ABAP Central Service Instance, and another one is database instance, and another one is primary application server instance, PAS shortcut. You called as instances. You want to build SAP SCM 7.0 EHP4 means compulsory want to install these three instances. So when you select standard system means these three instances you install in single system. That's why now I want to install these three instances in single system. That's why I selected standard system here. Okay, why I select standard system here means I want to install these three instances in single system. That's why I selected standard system. Select standard system here. Standard system previous name is central system. Central system name changed as standard system. So compulsory want to install these three instances. That means after installation is completed in my system, these three instances is available. Click next here. Now here, typical custom. Typical means default settings, custom means manual settings. So when you select custom, they show all the installation options. That's why compulsory here, you want to select custom. Select custom and click next. Now click OK. Means when you click OK, it will be log off. Means your administrator user will be log off. After logging with administrator user, installation will be continued. That's why click OK. This log off. Okay, now click VM, click send control plus all plus delete, username administrator, press enter key. After entering the password, press enter key. Software provisioning manager will be automatically open. You no need to open, it will be automatically open. After log off, next step what is there, it will be open. Once again, they ask login name and password here also for opening the SWPM. Okay, username here. Once again, you want to enter the username. Username is administrator. And here we want to enter the administrator password. And click sign in. Okay, here SAP system ID. You called as SAP system ID or you called as SAP SID. In company, when you are installing them, company provide. For the SAP system ID, you want to enter, company provide that details to you. You want to enter that details. SAP system ID always 3 alphanumeric characters. 3 alphanumeric characters means what is the meaning of 3 alphanumeric characters? Means first one compulsory A to Z letter, remaining two A to Z letter or 0 to 9 digit. SAP system ID always you want to maintain in caps letters only. In this training, I'm using SAP system ID. In this training, I'm using SCM. Okay. Here my installation drive is not C drive. Click this drop down box and select D drive. My installation drive is D drive and click next. Here I provide SAP system ID in caps letters only. Always you want to provide SAP system ID in caps letters. First one compulsory A to Z letter, remaining two A to Z letter are 0 to 9 digits. Click next. My domain name is correct. Click next. Master password. Master password. Here you want to create new password. What is the use of this password? After installation is completed, you want to start the database instance. You want to start the primary application server instance. You want to start the ASPS instance by this password only. That's why I'm creating new password here. And click next. Do not forget that password. In company, when installation time, company provide what the password you want to enter there, company provide, you enter that password there. Click next here. Click next here. Yeah, on this host only, I install the database software. On this host only, I install the database software. Click next. What they're telling is your SAP system ID and database ID both are same. That means my SAP system ID is SCM. That means my DBS ID also SCM. Both are same. Okay, click next. Here, now scroll down. SAPexe dots are status still missing. IJCexe dots are, IJS helper dots are, SAPexe DB dots are. Total, these 4 files are still missing. We want to provide that files. Click here in Z drive, in SCM folder, in kernel folder, that files is there. IJCexe dots are, IJS helper dots are, SAPexe DB dots are, SAPexe dots are, SAP host agent dots are also is there. But here they did not ask, but I'm providing that file also. Entire folder I'm providing. Click OK and click next. Okay, now scroll down. So all are files available status. All are available means they give permission to go to the next page. Suppose is there any one status still missing means they did not allow to go to the next page. All the 4 options status available means on the time only they give the permission to go to the next page. Here, click next. Now scroll down. SAP host agent dots are status available. Status available means no need to provide that file. Status still missing means on the time only you want to provide that file. Status available means they give permission to go to the next page. Click next. Click next here. Click next here. So no need to provide these details. SAP Live Cache used for SAP system. Deselect this one. SAP Live Cache server connection. No need to provide this one. Deselect this option. Okay. The live cache user is the database user. That is the owner of the database table. Okay. Live cache user is, it is database user. It is owner of the database table. Okay. No need to provide these details. Click next. Here, live cache is 7.9. Here we want to provide that file. Live cache is 7.9. Okay, click browse in Z drive, in SCM folder, in live cache folder. Okay, you want to provide that folder and click OK and click next. Here, live cache is client to software destination C drive, but my installation drive is D drive. That's why I change all these drives as D drive. Okay, live cache client software destination. Okay, enter the destination drives for live cache software and click next. Here, installation export for SAP SCM 7.0 EHP4. Click browse in Z drive, in SCM folder, export folder. Okay, provide export folder, okay, and click next. Click next here. Now here, you want to select options. In your system, you have 4 to 8 CPU cores, means you want to select small system. 8 to 16 CPU cores means medium. 16 to 32 CPU cores means large. So I am selecting 4 for small systems and click next. Here, now scroll down. This is database files and log files. In D drive, empty. Okay, but here in D drive, I'm entering here SCM slash SCM slash SCM slash SCM slash SCM slash. That means this all files will be stored in SCM folder in D drive. But SCM folder is not available there in D drive. But after installation in D drive, SCM folder is available. This database files and database log files will be stored in that particular SCM folder. Click next. Okay, now scroll down. Here also in D drive, SCM slash SCM slash. Okay, click next. Click next here. Click next here. Okay, click next. Click next here. Here they asking primary application server instance 00, ACS instance number 01. Instance number is 2-digit number. To identify the instance number is 2-digit number 00 to 99. But 98 and 99 instance number are reserved for SAP router purpose. 98 and 99 instance number are reserved for SAP router purpose. That's why instance number is 2-digit number 00 to 97 only available. So by default, primary application server instance number is 00, ACS instance number is 01. You want to change, change. Or otherwise you use same instance number, default instance number. In company, when installation time, company provide what the instance number you want to provide here. Okay, click next here. Okay, they're telling ABAP message server port number is 3601 and internal ABAP message server port number is 3901. Message server is available inside ACS instance. ACS instance number is 01. That's why this system ABAP message server port number is 3601 and internal ABAP message server port number is 3901. Click next. So they're telling number of dialog work process you want. Here you are installing primary application server instance. Work process is available inside primary application server instance and additional application server instance. Why work process is available inside the two instances means because primary application server instance and additional application server instances are application instances. That's why work process is available inside the two instances only. ACS instance is not a application server instance. That's why in ACS instance work process not available. So I'm not increasing and decreasing here. Click next. Click next here. Click next here. I'm not adding the system into the system landscape directory. Suppose you want to add means select this option. Use the existing SLD for registration and enter a system landscape directory computer name, system landscape directory HTTP or HTTPS port number, and a system landscape directory username and password. Like this, you enter that 4 details and add the system into the system landscape directory. But I am not adding the system into the system landscape directory. That's why I am selecting this option, no SLD destination, and click next. Click next here. Okay, here install an SAP web dispatcher, install an gateway in ACS instance. I want this two. I'm selecting these two. That means after installation is completed in ACS instance, web dispatcher component is available, gateway component is available. Okay, I want, that's why I select after installation in ACS instance, these two components is available, SAP web dispatcher gateway. Click next. Click next here. Okay, here I'm selecting default key and click next. So final step. I think in define parameters, this is the final step. What they're telling means after installation is completed, you got client 000 and client 001. In client 000, DDIC user, SAP star user. In client 001 also, DDIC user and SAP star user. Password is master password. Suppose you don't want to use master password means you select here, set DDIC user in client 000. You enter different password like that. But I want to use master password only. That means client 000, user DDIC, master password. Client 000, user SAP star, master password. Client 001, user DDIC, master password. Client 001, user SAP star, master password. Okay, click next here. Now finally, review parameters. Is there any changes means change here. Suppose there is no changes means no need. From starting whatever pages they open, they show here every step by step pages they shown here. Is there any changes means change here. Suppose there is no changes means click next. Now executive service is running. So installation is started. It will take some hours. Depending on your system hardware, it will take some hours. When installation is running on the time, you did not restart or shut down the system. When installation is running on that time, you did not restart or shut down the system. It will be restart or shut down means you did not get successful installation. It will take some hours. Depending on your system configuration, it will take some hours. We want to wait. Finally, the installation of SAP SCM 7.0 EHP4 ABAP is successfully installed. Click OK. Click close, click exist and close the browser and double click this PC. Now we want to remove this shared folder. Okay, click here, VM, settings, options, shared folder, select it, select this one, remove, and click yes, deselect this one, disable, and click OK. Now double click this PC. Okay. This is the way you want to install SAP SCM 7.0 EHP4.